This is a support or safety belt to be used with this type of stand and turn device. The belt is designed to support the person in standing. As you can see, the belt has a label with arrows, so it tells us which way to fit it. So I'll fit the belt now. If you ask or assist your person to sit forward, and then what I'm going to do is just tuck it underneath his bottom, make sure the sling is central, and that will fit around the hips, and then assist the person to lean back. So first of all, I'm going to secure with a waist strap. This design has a hook and loop fastening. Some have a clasp fastening as well. This narrower belt, this is the bit that attaches to the device. Just make sure that the clasp is at the end, and then what we do is we just fasten it, make sure it's clicked in just before we ask the person to stand. So I'm going to introduce the device. We apply the brakes. If the person can stand independently, that's fine, they can just stand. I'm going to assist the person to stand. So I'm going to assist him to lean forward, and then support and stabilise the device with my outer hand, and this leaves me a hand free to assist him to stand. So ready, steady, stand. Once the person is stood, we take this belt and hook it over this part of the handlebar, and then just tighten it to the appropriate tension to allow the person to lean back in it and be supported. And then at this stage we can unclip the brakes and transport the person to wherever they need to go. For sitting down, it's the same action in reverse. Make sure the brakes are applied, of course. And then what we want to do is just ask or assist the person to lean forward, and I'm just going to unclick this clasp. You must warn the service user, because if I just simply unclicked it, they're likely to fall back in the chair. And then we can either ask or assist the person to sit down. And then we can remove the belt. And that is the support or safety belt to be used with this type of stand and turn device.